ho, ho. Hello there. Well, today I have a new story for you, and it's called The First Christmas. Now, you may have seen it before in other forms, but I like this form because it's in the shape of a pop-up book, and it is illustrated by Samantha Carol Smith and Berno Waldman, and it was printed in Colombia and hand assembled in Ecuador. So you might say it's been around the world before it got here. Anyway, The First Christmas, and it's called A Christmas Treasury Pop-Up. Oh, I should also tell you that they have, in the pop-up series, they have The First Christmas, The Night Before Christmas, A Christmas Carol, and The Nutcracker as well. So, let's start here. Long ago, a woman named Mary and a carpenter named Joseph lived in the town of Nazareth. One day, an angel appeared to Mary and announced that God had chosen her to be the mother of his son Jesus. And you can see how it pops out of the page there? Soon after the angel visited, Joseph and Mary had to journey to Bethlehem. After the long journey, they needed a place to rest, but there was no room at the inn. The innkeeper let them stay in the stable. And you can see them on their long journey. So the tired travelers slept on the straw floor of the stable with the curious donkeys, cows, and other animals watching. Jesus was born in the stable that night. Mary wrapped him in a blanket and laid him in a manger. And it pops out the manger. I have one hard time with these gloves sometimes. Let's just take that off. In the fields outside Bethlehem, an angel appeared to the shepherds watching their sheep. The shepherds were frightened of the bright light, but the angel said, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news. Tonight in Bethlehem, a child is born. He is Christ the Lord." As the shepherds watched, the sky was filled with angels singing praises to God. You can see them singing the praises. When the angels disappeared, the shepherds said, "Let us go to Bethlehem to see the child." They went to the stable, and when they saw the baby, they were filled with joy. They left to tell all the people of his birth. You can tell some kids have enjoyed this book. Far away in the east, 3 wise men saw a new star shining in the sky. They followed the star to Bethlehem and found the baby Jesus. They knelt before him, giving him gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. From that glorious day on, we celebrate the love and joy of Christmas, the birthday of Jesus. See the 3 wise men trying to give him gifts? And that is the end of that story. I hope you liked it. We like it here too. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.